welcome to another video. Well, today's video is day 9 of my Bunnies and Blooms series. Woohoo! Today we are having In Love Art Shop over as a guest, and I'm using these dies that I recently hauled and making these tags in a pocket. I love them so much. They kind of remind me of library cards, and they're so decorative. I love them. So let's go ahead and spruce these up and make them as amazing as my hands can craft. What I'm doing here is I'm lining the back with another cardstock from Hobby Lobby. I am using the Garden Party by Maggie Holmes and American Crafts collection piece, and the die you can get 20% off. I will have the link below. I do not get commission off it, so that's just for you guys. Okay, so go ahead and die cut your little pockets, and that's what I'm doing here. And now I'm folding, and I'm going to use hot glue. As always, hot glue. So just do that. I did add stitching to the bottom front pocket. That is optional. You do not have to add stitching. So I'm going to glue that on. Here's the tag that goes inside of the pocket. And so I wanted to do different colors, so I mixed and matched the pink with the blue. And I kind of made a mistake, and I wanted to kind of swap the colors a little different than what I did here, but it worked out. I like how it came out when you know, the card looks either blue or pink at first, and then when you pull it out you see the other color, which I love. So I'm doing card number 2 as well, the same way as card number 1. Here I forgot I had the pattern paper in my hand, and I was thinking the pattern paper was the other piece, and so I took a little too long, which kind of made a bubble in that tag, but it's okay. It still worked out. Everything fits together. This one I was having trouble. For some reason, I could not get this piece on in time before the glue dried. So you'll see me later adding more hot glue on the bottom and the side, I believe. So here it is. This is the tag so far, or the library card, and I'm just checking to see if it fits, and it does. You just have to fiddle with it and it will slide right in. So I'm using this seam binding that I picked up from Etsy. I will have the link of the shop below, as well as the In Love Art Shop link below, and the discount code as well. I have these die cuts that my husband picked up for me from a Cherry on Top, and they're a baby piece, and I like it because it has a bunny rabbit in the front, and I thought it went well for this collection. I do swap that ephemera pieces out later. I decided not to use it because of the hot air balloon, but I do swap it out for some little bunnies, which are so much cuter. So we are going to stuff these library cards with flag embellishments. This is such a fun way to send an embellishment to your crafty partner and friend, and so that's what I want to do here. So what you will need is the Hobby Lobby trim. It's a heart trim. I'm using these sticks here, and these are actually food skewers for food. I they're so inexpensive that I'd rather use that. So you get a long piece of stick and you can cut four for a flag. So four, you can get four flags from one skewer. So yeah, you might want to try it. I like it. I picked this up from the Dollar Tree. So find yourself a die that is a fishtail on both sides. So that's what I did here. Or if you have a punch or use your electric cutting machine, that would work. So I'm doing two pieces that are exactly the same, and then the last one is going to be a little shorter, and that's why you see me snipping the edge there. And so I'm using three of those fishtail banners to create one flag. And I'm also adding some beads. So just slide your beads in, do the first layer of your flag. I'm using hot glue again. Now the second layer, you are able to stitch these pieces as well, but I didn't do that this time. I am crunched for time, so usually I would stitch. However, like I said, I am crunched for time. I have the series going on. I have design team stuff coming in and also Happy Meal stuff. So I am crunched for time. And this video might even go up a little later than usual. So hopefully it doesn't. Cross your fingers. So there is banner number 3, and so that's done. And I just want to show you that I'm using this Hobby Lobby trim that I showed you in the last video that I glued on to the flag, and I'm also using some die cut pieces from that baby collection, as well as some flower pieces from Marigold. So I'm deciding which stickers I want to use, and I go for the little bunnies because this is Bunnies and Blooms series, and that's what I'm going to use. And also finding some sentiments from the sticker collection. So I did pick this up from Peachy Cheap. I'm so glad it came in because I didn't know what I was going to do for this series. I didn't have anything left. So I was thinking of going to Michael's and picking up something, or Hobby Lobby, and just putting something together. But so glad that Peachy Cheap came through, and I have the Garden Party collection. So thank you. So I did add flowers on the flags, and I did mount them on some foam adhesive. And you can see me using some scrap foam pieces here for the sentiments. And so now we have some foam stickers. So I do adhere those stickers with score tape first because the adhesive on the sticker isn't as strong as score tape would be. So what you would want to do, I would recommend score tape if you're going to adhere any type of sticker to anything, because that works best over glue. Hot glue doesn't, or if you want to use some very strong liquid glue like Glossy Accents, that would work too. Glossy Accents works. So there's my little bunny. I'm adding the sentiment. I love the little brown bunny and the little gray bunny. They're so cute. And I believe I did add some score tape to that. So I'm trying to add this little ribbon. So I do add it to the flag on the left. Now I'm adding some of these flowers that were gifted to me by Becky Long in a swap. These are Hobby Lobby flowers. So there's the flags, you guys. So here are the bunny rabbits that I'm using that I swapped out the hot air balloon ephemera pieces for. And I think these ones work so much better than the hot air balloon ones. I do love the hot air balloon ones, though. I will be using them soon. I'm still going to use them because I love the color. I love the vintageness. It kind of goes with Maggie Holmes garden party, so I liked it too. So I will be using those later. So this is it, you guys. I love how the flag embellishments look. So I'm gluing some foam adhesive to the bows, and those are ephemera pieces that came in the collection. And I do glue some foam pieces there to bring the bow up and lift it, give it a 3D look. Anyways, I love how it looks. It looks really nice. And then I add some stickers. I add a bee and then I add a butterfly. So I do glue the gold bow the same way as I glued the yellow bow. Well, you guys, this concludes the video, and I appreciate you so much for watching. I hope you loved day 9. We are almost finished here, you guys. Yeah, I hope you loved it, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.